Man's got manners. But you knew that already, didn't you? So we're still here in Hitchin, and I'm here at Kazoku. I'm not sure I said that right. For a very special Japanese restaurant. Where we live, I've got my favourite. Is it Malaysian, Jess? Centre?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that place. When you walk in, there's like an energy and a vibe about the place. This one had the same. Right, I've got a special drink there. Let's get on with the food to start with. Using my car. Right, Jess, you're gonna have to help me out here. We'll get them out individually. So we've gone for like a bit of a mixture. And I've heard this place is really, really good. So what is this, Jess? Come close, come close.
Chicken gozu.
Chicken gozu. Gozu. Right.
Like dumplings.
Oh wow, look at them. Let's get them on camera. Wow, so to touch, guys, this ridge I'm holding at the top, super firm. These are chicken ones, aren't they?
Yeah.
Some sauce, let's dive in, give it a go. Wow. Inside there. It's fresh, it's light. The batter, sorry, the pastry, whatever it is, fried dumpling, yeah, it's crisp, it's beautiful, it's warm filling inside. It's soy type sauce, sharp, cuts through. Very good. Put that there. Wowzers. Now, look at the rice. Oh, stunning. How can a rice even look that good? Got here. Just gonna get it all out. What have we got here, Jessica?
Teriyaki chicken.
Teriyaki chicken. Oh, look at that. Holy smoke. What's this one? What's this? 2 soups.
I don't feel like we ordered them.
2 soups. Freebies, guys. Freebies. We definitely did not order those soups. Fantastic. Right. Look at this, guys. Absolutely fantastic. It's the best rice. It's sticky. It's thick. Here we go. Straight off the Range Rover bonnet. Teriyaki chicken. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Okay, I'm gonna try and break that down for you guys. The teriyaki sauce is rich, it's powerful. Look, I'm gonna have nice and close. It's wonderfully cooked. Still has that hold, that tender flavour to it with the rich, sticky sauce. It's just beautiful. That's a heavyweight dish. Wow. Sensational. Drink watch. Drink watch, drink watch, drink watch. Okay, pear, apple and lime. Fresh juice, special in-house mixture. Okay. Wasn't expecting that to look like that. It looks like a poorly coloured milkshake. However, I'm told it's the house favourite. Drink watch. This is random. Drink watch is over, people. Pear, apple, lime, Japanese juice. I've got a lump of something. Fresh apple. Oh my God. Right, drink watch is over, people. Anyone looking to get in the drinks game, bring out a new drink somewhere, pack up your shit and fuck off home. That, game over, finished, completed. Drink watch is done. That is sensational. It's fresh, it's fruity, it's got a bit of acidic sweetness to it. She said this is their big popular one in-house. Yeah, I wonder why. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, guys. Kazoku, Hitchin, bit of an undercover gem, so I was told, and I've turned up and it is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Teriyaki chicken was amazing. The dumplings at the front, delicate, yummy. And I'm standing out here on my Range Rover eating this. But inside, come and have a little peek inside. We've got lanterns, we've got atmosphere, we've got vibe. It is stunning. And everyone gets their food on nice little plates on the inside. Like I was thinking, I wish we'd have done this review inside, but we made the order, it's too late. Guys, this is one of those ones, come and try it out. This is gonna be the drink to start with is a 10 out of 10. A 10 out of 10 for the drink. The rest of the food, I'm gonna give this a 9.3. I don't know if I'm in a good mood tonight or not. That's sensational. And I'm very, very glad we've been able to stand here today and give you this review. Japanese food, potentially at its finest, I don't know, but I loved it. Tickled my fancy. It tickled my pickle and I loved it. Thank you for watching, everyone. I love you all. God bless.